Today, we are going to be working on multiplication. We're going to multiply a 2-digit times a 2-digit number. The strategy that we are going to be working on is called area model. That's going to look like this. It's a big square that's going to be broken down into 4 smaller squares. To begin our problem, we want to take a look at the first digit, 27. In the number 27, there is 2 tens or 20. I'm going to write that over here. And the 7, there are 7 ones. I'm going to write the 7 right here. In the number 13, I have 1 10. So that's just 10 and 3 ones. Now that I have that set up, I am going to start multiplying the numbers together. First, I'm going to start with this box right here. And to get the answer for this box, I'm going to take 20 times 10. Just kind of going across like this and up. So 20 times 10, I'm going to write that down right here. That's what I'm thinking in my head. When you do yours, you don't have to write this part. You can just write the answer. So in 20 times 10, I can use my cheat sheet over here, but I notice that the numbers are too big and it's not on here. So here's a little trick for you. I can think of 2 times 1. I know that 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to write down a 2. And I'm going to see how many zeros I have. I have 1 and 2 zeros in both of those digits. So 2 zeros. That's going to give me 200. So 20 times 10 is 200. Now I'm going to move on to this box right here. I'm going to keep the 20, so I'm going to say 20 times 3. So I'm thinking in my head, 20 times 3. I can think again, 2 times 3, and 2 times 3, I'll check here, it is 6. And then I have 1 0, so I'm going to put a 0 here. So 20 times 3 is 60. Okay, I'll move down to this box down here. I have 7 times 10. I'm thinking 7 times 10. I can check here. 7 times 10 is 70. Or I can do the same strategy. I know 7 times 1 is 7 and add a 0, so that's 70. And then the last box right here, I'm going to think 7 times 3 up here, and that is going to give me 3 times 7, or 7 times 3, that's 21. Let me just go ahead and write that down of what I'm thinking of. 21. Great. Now that I have that piece done, I am going to add the numbers. I'd like to add the numbers starting with the highest value. So we're going to add 200, 70, 60, and 21. I'm going to just kind of squeeze in this space right here. So I'm going to add 200 plus 70 plus 60 and plus 21. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 2 is 15. Regroup, carry the 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer for 27 times 13 is 351. And so this is how we use the area model to multiply a 2-digit times a 2-digit number.